you better come over here. Turn the light on, turn the light on. You're knocking down stuff, dude.
Yay!
Go get Abby. Can you go get Abby?
Yay!
You're what?
I sound so excited.
What's today?
Christmas.
Who came and saw you?
Santa.
A bite! A bite! A bite!
Okay, let her rip too. Those are games.
Games?
Wait, why did y'all get games? We don't have anything to play games on, do we?
You can share with me.
You can share with me. Look behind you. See that big box on the floor? That's for you and Abby, too. Let's open it.
Abby, you help me?
No, pero es que necesita leer primero la carta de Santa Claus.
Wait a minute. Y'all didn't read Santa's letter?
Huh?
Go get Santa's letter. Read it.
I don't know how to.
Look, he left a little milk and a little bit of a cookie. Let me see if I can read it from over here.
You give the milk?
He drank the milk. Okay. Letter says, "Here, baby." You can get her? You know what that is?
A game where you jump.
You remember what it's called?
Yeah.
A Wii. Look on the tree, Angel. There's steering wheels that go with that Wii, so you can play a driving game with Mario. You see him? Abby has one over there. Give it to her. Go over there, Abby.
Inside. Matt, go up. There you go.
It says you're a winner. Get him.
There you go. One more. Now go down. Oh, you almost got it. Do that one again?
No, I mean,
Huh?
that was a hard